Welcome back. This is, as you can see, just parts of a Lisa. That was sent to me by my friend Mark, and I'm gonna be retrobrighting. As you can see, it's really yellow and it's already foaming a lot, so I'm gonna start working on it and I'll take videos all of it. Another thing to remember when dealing with these retrobright parts is that we need to get rid of the badges, and when I say get rid of, we gotta remove them before we do retrobright. It's difficult sometimes, but you gotta do it sometimes with heat. You can take it out, just heat it up and then push it to lessen the glue, and then just push it from behind. And if you cannot do that, you gotta cover the badge because it will be affected by retrobright. So this looks cool and it's gonna be a nice project. These already have reacted and these are starting to work, so let's see how much time it takes. Today is day 2 of the retrobright, and now that I know kind of the pace of the yellowing happening, I know how much retrobright to apply and how much it will increase or lower the yellowing. All right, third day of applying retrobright. Remember, this is a game of time, not a rush. This better do it nice and easy, not in a rush. So 3 days doing it, it's gonna take what it is gonna take. This is important work, so these plastics are valuable, so I don't want to rush. I don't want to do quick, lazy thing. I want to make sure that everything goes right and everything comes out perfect. And then again, more retrobright. Just gotta be careful where do we put it. And when these two colors match, we'll be done. This is the last day. Some of the pieces are already done. I actually did just see 2. So these were the only ones that were a little bit more yellow than the rest. They're almost there. As you can see, I did the bottom as a submersion because it's safer and it's better for some small pieces. And the other thing that I'm doing is a cable. Nice, huh? Here we are at the end of the process. I'm really happy with the results. I don't think the light is giving enough information, but it looks really well. It doesn't look yellow anymore. It looks beige. It is beautiful. I think it could go a little bit more, but honestly, I prefer not to. If you see the back and you see the front, they're almost the same color now. So that's the important part. The interior and the exterior, they're almost the same. This slightly darker, but it really doesn't really matter. It doesn't really make a difference. So you can see no more yellow anywhere. So maybe the light here is not the best, but it's where I started. So at the beginning of the video I showed it. So it's very good. I am very happy with the results. Everything looks beautiful. Looks perfect. No more yellowing. Everything is the same tone. So I think the owner is going to be very happy with it. All right. I think that's it. Thank you very much. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. And see you next time.